Now I am starting derivative of implicit function. Before starting of derivative implicit function, we have to know about implicit function. What is implicit function? There are function mainly two types. Function mainly two types. One is implicit, another is explicit. Implicit, first we explain about explicit. If y has given directly in terms of x, say y equal to fx, say 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Here the value of y directly depends on the independent variable x. So this type of function is called explicit. But implicit means if the value of y directly cannot be determined from the equation, say x square plus 4xy plus 3y square equal to 5. So here value of y can be find out by some other means, not directly. It is not given directly. So that's why here value of y not given directly in terms of x. It is connected relation. That's why it is called implicit function. So now we are going to find the derivative of implicit function. So how to find it? Before finding derivative of implicit functions, few formula you should remember. So d dx of y equal to dy by dx. Number two, d dx of y square. So d dx of y square, so it is y square function of y and we are differentiating with respect to x. So first we have to adjust d dy of y square into dy by dx, which is 2y dy by dx. Third, suppose d dx of log y, this is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx. We are using the previous method. Similarly, d dx of cos y equal to minus sin y into dy by dx. Similarly, some other function, say d dx of e to the power y equal to e to the power y into dy by dx. So this thing we have to use whenever we are doing the derivative of implicit function. Example number 1. Example 1. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. It is given x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy. A is constant. So differentiating both side with respect to x, we'll get d dx of x cube plus d dx of y cube equal to 3a into d dx of xy. So d dx of x cube will be 3x square. Similar way, d dx of y cube will be d dy of y cube into dy by dx. So answer 3y square into dy by dx. And that is equal to 3a x dy by dx plus y into 1. We have applied product formula. So now the term containing dy dx we have to bring in one side. Before that, open the bracket. 3x square 3y square dy by dx equal to 3ax plus 3ax dy by dx plus 3y. So 3y square minus, it is 3ay. 3y square dy by dx minus 3ax dy by dx equal to 3ay minus 3x square. So 3y square minus 3ax into dy by dx equal to 3 common ay minus x square. So therefore dy by dx equal to 3 ay minus x square divided by 3 y square minus ax. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. Final answer ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. So this is the final answer. Example number 2. Example number 2. Say find dy dx when it is given that x cube plus y cube plus 4x square y minus 25 equal to 0. Find dy by dx. So here also differentiating with respect to x, what will get? ddx of x cube plus ddx of y cube plus 4 into ddx of x square y minus ddx of 25 equal to 0. So then what will get? 3x square 3y square dy by dx plus 4 x squared dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square, which is 2x minus 0. Open the bracket. 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx plus 4x square dy by dx plus 8xy equal to 0. So therefore what we are getting? 3y square plus 4x square dy by dx equal to minus 3x square plus 8xy. Final answer dy by dx equal to minus of 3x square plus 8xy 3y square plus 4x square. So this is the final answer. Example number 2. Now we are starting example number 3. Example 3. Say x equal to y log xy. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So before doing differentiation, we have to simplify a little bit. Y log a into b, the formula is log x plus log y, and this is equal to x. So therefore y log x plus y log y. Now differentiating with respect to x, we'll get 1 y into 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx. Product function we have applied here. Again it is product function. Y into derivative of log y, which is 1 by y into dy by dx. Log y into derivative of y, which is again dy by dx. So finally we are getting 1 equal to y by x plus log x dy by dx plus it is dy by dx plus log y dy by dx. So 1 minus y by x, and we are taking dy by dx common. Log x plus 1 plus log y, and therefore dy by dx will be 1 minus y by x log x plus 1 plus log y. Further we can simplify numerator, which is x minus y divided by x into log x plus 1 plus log y. So this is the final answer. Next sum, say it is given that e to the power xy minus 4xy equal to 2. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So therefore, the differentiating with respect to x, will get d dx of e to the power xy minus d dx of 4xy equal to d dx of 2. So therefore we'll get exy into derivative of xy minus 4 common d dx of equal to 0. So now from here we are finding d by dx of xy is common from both the term. So d dx of xy we are taking out common, e to the power xy minus 4 equal to 0. From there we are getting d dx of xy equal to 0, as e to the power xy minus 4 cannot be equal to 0. So from here x dy by dx plus y equal to 0 and dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So this is the answer. Next example, x to the power 4 x square y square plus y to the power 4 equal to 0. Example number 5. And from here find dy by dx. So same way we have to differentiate with respect to x. So d dx of x to the power 4 plus d dx of x square y square plus d dx of equal to 0. So what will get? 4x cube plus x square into d dx of y square into d dx of x square plus 4y cube into dy by dx equal to 0. So now 4x cube x square, derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx, y square into 2x, 4y cube into dy by dx equal to 0. So therefore we can simplify from this to take out common dy by dx. So 2x square y plus 4y cube into dy by dx equal to minus 4x cube plus 2x y square, and therefore dy by dx equal to minus 4x cube plus 2x y square divided by 2x square y plus 4y cube. So this is the final answer. Now we are doing example number 6. Sin xy plus cos xy equal to pi by 3. given that tan xy not equal to minus 1, then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. This is example number 6. How to find? Differentiating with respect to x, will get d dx of sin xy plus d dx of equal to d dx of pi by 3. This is cos xy into derivative of, this is minus sin xy into derivative of equal to 0. So what we have common? D dx of xy we have common, cos xy minus sin xy. It is given that tan xy not equal to minus 1. Now, tan xy not equal to plus 1. It is plus 1. So since tan xy not equal to plus 1, so therefore sin xy not equal to cos xy. So that is sin xy minus cos xy not equal to 0. So since tan xy not equal to 1, therefore cos xy minus not equal to 0, and therefore d dx of xy equal to 0. X dy by dx plus y implies dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So these are the derivative of implicit function. We will start in the next class logarithmic differentiation.